Welcome to the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences. We're outside the museum getting ready for Bugfest. On Saturday, September 21st, the museum, inside and out, will be full of all things bug. The most popular attraction every year is Café Insecta, when local chefs come out and prepare delicious, tasty food made with bugs. To give us a little bit of a taste of what's to come, I'm here with Mr. Puebla Tacos himself, Carlos.
Thank you for having me.
What are we making?
Quesadilla with superworm, gusanos en la manta de queso.
Gusanos en la manta de queso.
That's right.
How do you cook the mealworms? How do we get started?
A little bit butter.
Butter always makes things delicious, right?
Yes, superworms.
And in go our worms. Now these are big beetle larvae, right? Mealworms are beetle larvae. In fact, these particular kinds are darkling beetles. So this is the early life stage, and then later they'll turn into beetles, which happen to be the theme insect this year for Bugfest. So we've got mealworms in the pan, Carlos. What are we doing next?
Black pepper, salt, garlic, jalapenos, and all this is mixed. They have a lot of flavor.
A lot of flavor. I mean, the mealworm, salt, and pepper already kind of smells really good, even though it's a pan full of bugs. It looks and smells tasty.
Always the spices, delicious. Always with the spicy jalapenos. It's really good.
So these flavors come together. I mean, they smell delicious. It smells so good. Now, have you cooked mealworms before?
Yes, in Puebla, my mom, she cooked, and I have this recipe for my mom.
Oh, wow, so this is like a family recipe.
Yeah,
right here.
this is family recipe.
So how do you know when the mealworms are done?
You can see like a crispy. When it's crispy, you can see it change the color,
Yeah.
brown. Yeah, this is perfect. It's done now, and we want to make it, put a queso. Queso, my recipe secret.
Your secret queso recipe.
Cheddar cheese, Oaxaca cheese. Oaxaca cheese is make it differ, good flavor. So we mix cheddar cheese and Oaxaca cheese.
So we've got your secret recipe queso, cheddar cheese, Oaxaca cheese, and in go the mealworms, garlic, and jalapenos. Oh, this looks so good. Now, normally if I'm making a quesadilla at home, the cheese and maybe some other veggies is where I stop. I don't think I've ever made one at home with mealworms.
Pico de gallo is really, really good.
Oh, it looks delicious.
Cilantro. Last cheese.
More cheese.
Yeah. And we can put lettuce, more vegetables, and protein, superworms.
So this really is like a complete meal. We've got our protein, we've got our veggies,
Yeah.
we've got a little bit of cheese.
This is delicious. Quesadilla is done.
I cannot wait to try this. Sour cream and guac, and oh yeah, right there, there's our mealworm friends.
Yes.
May I?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get just a little dab right here. This
Guacamole.
yeah, because
Yeah,
that
always
looks
good
delicious
guacamole.
too. And yeah, here we go.
This is delicious. I like that a lot.
Oh, the mealworms are just a little bit like nutty, but with the jalapeno, it's just the right amount of spice.
Oh, yeah.
Jump right in there. Oh my gosh. Well, hey everybody. Come to Café Insecta at Bugfest, Saturday, September 21st here at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences in downtown Raleigh. We can't wait to see you here. Come and try Mr. Puebla Taco's delicious treats and a host of other great things to see and do here at the museum, all for Bugfest. Until next time, bye everybody.